Greetings everyone, this is Danny from hartravel.com, your Royal Caribbean experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Freedom of the Seas. Now this particular category I'm in is an interior cabin. So there's several different categories that are essentially the same, but what I wanted to point out about this particular one is there's several dozen that were added onto the ship later. This one is up in the crown of the ship on deck 12. They also have them on deck 2 and 3, and you can tell from the decor as we walk through the room that it's one of the newer cabins. So once again, same category, but make sure when you're on our website and you check that out, you're gonna find some deck 2 forward, 3 forward, and also up here on deck 12. Let me show you what the room's all about. Now, as soon as you walk in the room, you've got your bed right here to my left. So it's one of the Royal King configurations. They can put it together like they have now, or they can separate it out with 2 separate twin-size beds. Now, keep in mind, they separate it, you're gonna have the nightstands that are on the side over there would go to the middle, so you have a little bit more separation. There's storage on either nightstand. There's a drawer, and then you have your reading lamps just above. Now, if this is one of the ones that's configured for a triple or quad, you're gonna have 2 beds that would come out of the ceiling in Pullman style. Now, the doors just to my right, I wanted to point out that you have this power saving feature. These are just in the newer rooms and of course on all of their newer ships. So you're gonna put your key card when you come in. It's gonna activate the power features. Now keep in mind, if you take that out, nothing's gonna charge in the room. So one of those things that I've learned along the way. Now directly across, you're gonna find a writing desk that also doubles as your vanity. This is where all the charging stations would be. You've got 2 US plugs and a Euro plug. I always bring an extra USB splitter so that I can plug it in and charge 3 or 4 devices at the same time. And I also bring a battery backup so I can charge it during the day and then use it to charge my phone at night. You've got drawer storage up and down here. Your flat panel TV, it is interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television, and this will come out and turn so that you can watch it from the bed. You've got more storage up and down right here, and then just inside here you're gonna find your safe, big enough for a wallet, passport, personal items, but not quite big enough for a laptop. You've got your mini fridge just underneath, and then your storage is tucked in the corner. So this is where you're gonna find all of your hanging storage. You've got it just up above here. This does pull down for more, and you've got shelves up and down, and then a little bit more storage up above. Now let's head into the bathroom. So in here, you'll find, once again, newer decor than throughout the rest of the ship. You've got storage up and down here. There is a plug up there for a shaver. You're gonna have a little bit of storage underneath. Toilet tucked in the corner. I'll step into the shower so you can see. What I like about this is that it doesn't have a shower curtain. These shut, and then they give you quite a bit more space than you would have otherwise. You've got your shower head right here. It is adjustable, and it's a shower wand. Now, when you're ready to book your next Royal Caribbean, Silver Sea, or Celebrity cruise, go to hartravel.com. You can book right on the website. You can also hold an option, and we can reach out to finalize the process for you. We have an amazing relationship with Royal Caribbean Group, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value.